The Predictive Forward Collision Warning or PFCW system automatically turns on each time the ignition switch is placed in the on position. It can help alert the driver when there is sudden braking of a second vehicle traveling in front of the vehicle directly ahead in the same lane. If there is a risk of a forward collision, the system warns the driver by blinking the vehicle ahead detection indicator and sounding an alert. The system operates at speeds above approximately 5 km/h. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance. Emergency assist. Then, emergency braking to toggle the system on or off. Turning the system off will also disable the forward emergency braking system. The warning light illuminates when the system is turned off. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, an indicator and/or a warning message may be displayed. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to the radar and camera areas. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit an INFINITI retailer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.